Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
PC. Section 39 CrPC. Every person who is aware of commission of any of the following offences shall give information to the nearest magistrate or police. This list does not contain the attempt of suicide. Okay, according to 39 CrPC, any offence um, should be revealed to a police or nearest magistrate. In private practice, a case of attempt of suicide need not inform the police. In a case of suicide, if the patient dies, then inform the police and autopsy has to be done. In government, all cases have to be informed.
thank you and thank you for watching.